Hey, it's Ohio Jimbo, and I'm going to show you a really cool song. It's great for summertime playing. It's if you're even the least bit patriotic, this is a great song for you to play because it's just 3 chords and it's a lot of fun. So stick around here and I'm going to show you how to play America the Beautiful in just 3 chords. Okay, so how many times have you been to a cookout or something and someone brings up a guitar? Summertime's here and everybody wants to have fun. So they're all saying, hey, what kind of song would you play? This is one that will play at just about anywhere. It's Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day. Anytime you can do this and people will sing along because Ray Charles made this song great. It's called America the Beautiful. And the simple thing is, when you look at the music, there's a lot of chords in there, but I'm going to show you how to play it in 3 simple chords. The chords we're going to use is C, or G, and F. That's it. So it's really the C, F, and G progression, but it's C, G, and F. Now, I've got a couple of really simple things I do in there in the trill when I take a C, and then I take it to a C7, and I also do a little tiny move on the G where I'm using the G and then I take it to a G7. That's the only variations, and you don't need it. You can just simply play the 3 chords, the C, G, and the F. There's C, there's G, there's F, and then there's C, C7, which is my little finger right there, and then a G, and a G7, which, by the way, an easy way to do this is if you're doing a G, you can do it with your pinky finger down here. G, and then all you have to do is lift up your pinky finger with your index finger down here in the 1st fret of the high E. Look. And then go. That makes it the G7th. So it's really, really easy to get from G to G7. And it's really easy to get from C to C7. And that's really all this is. So add those in when they're necessary, when they're needed, and when you feel like it works. And a lot of it does come down to if you got somebody that can sing it. It really helps a lot because the singing vocals carry the melody. You're just going to keep that music in the background. So if you could play a C. Oh, beautiful, for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountain majesty, above the fruited plain. Here we go. I'm talking about America, America. His grace on thee, crowned out good with a brotherhood, from sea to shining sea, crowned out good, yes he did, with brotherhood. From sea to everlasting shining sea. Here's the cool part with you. Now that's a fun, simple song. 3 chords and you're on your way to one of your most well-known patriotic songs. And America the Beautiful, it just doesn't get any better than that. You can just take it from wherever it's worth. There's so many different verses in there. Learn the verses, but those 3 chords will get you right through that. Like so many traditional songs, this is one everybody knows, and it's going to make you look like a hero. No matter where you are, what you're playing, play that and sing it with all your heart. Sing it like Ray Charles is sitting right beside you. That's the way to do it. So anyway, simple version, summer song, America the Beautiful. I hope you enjoy it. Well, until next time, this is Ohio Jimbo, and if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here. So I hope you enjoy it. Now that's from our national anthem, but it does work right at the end of the song.